Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is a collab with my girl Tailah. We decided to collab using our Take Me Back to Brazil palettes. I know you guys really love this palette. And also it's spring, even though it feels like summer in Birmingham. Oh my god, it's already 90 degrees. But anyway, her look is actually really dramatic. She did like a dramatic cut crease and everything. Like, y'all know I don't do the full cut creases because I don't know how to do those. But I will link her video along with her channel and everything down below, so make sure you guys go over there and show her love, and make sure you subscribe to her channel. If you want to see how I created my look, then make sure you guys keep watching. Of course, the answer to my last bonus entry, or the previous bonus entry, was lipstick. I do not. Somebody said blush. That was a really good guess because I never wear blush. I forgot blush even was a thing. I'm using this green up here first. Okay, so I just packed some more over here because this side didn't look as pigmented. So now I'm taking this orange, but I'm going to put a little bit of the red on top of that because I don't want it to be so bright. I'm gonna go in with the red that I showed y'all. I'm packing the red right here, but not directly like right there. I'm gonna grab these two purples and pack them on the outer corner. I'm taking this one first and then a dark one. Yeah, I'm so excited. I finally ordered some neon pigments. Finally. So let me add just a little bit more of the green. I'm gonna grab this even lighter green that y'all have seen me use before and pack that on top. I need to put on some mascara. So I'm gonna have to do an updated brow routine. I'm gonna do a full face. I know I've been saying that for the longest, but I'm gonna get a full face done for y'all. I really don't do a full face because I feel like my videos end up being a whole 15 minutes long. That's too long for me. I've been using this little this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and it's like the perfect natural shade for me. I was looking back some of my old videos and I was like, my eyebrows was really dark and nobody told me. Bro, now y'all see why I don't put my lashes on camera, because they never go on right when I'm recording. for my waterline, I'm not going in with any white eyeliner, any concealer or anything. I'm just going straight into the color. I know people are going to ask me how I got my colors to show pigmented, and honestly I don't know what to tell y'all except for what I've already told y'all. If you haven't seen the video on how I get my colors to appear more pigmented, then I'll put it on the screen, but I don't know what to tell y'all. Like, I just literally go into the color and it just shows. Like, I don't know. For my outer half of my waterline, does that make sense? I'm going in with this blue right here, and this is a M432 from Morphe, and yes, it's green, so I also use green with this same brush. Now I'm gonna grab the green on the exact same brush. So I'm taking this green again on the same brush once again. So going into my Pro Balloons palette. This is my new highlighter palette. Taking this color here. Taking this color, okay. This color right here. I'm gonna highlight my face with that. So that definitely not means for it to be all the way up there. And this eyeshadow, y'all, like, why I keep doing it? This highlighter is bomb. Before I dust away my powder, I'm gonna do a bonus entry. This one is not, it's not hard, but you will probably have to go back and watch a video to get the answer. A cut crease video in particular. Okay, so this one is kind of hard, but I think it's worth it to be like the last one. So I'm gonna show y'all the brushes, but I purposely did not tell y'all what brushes I was using in this video because I want y'all to tell me what brushes these are. They're the brushes that I usually use when I'm doing a cut crease. So I'm gonna let y'all get a good look at them, even though they're dirty. But yeah, if y'all can name these 4 brushes, not in a certain order, then you have, I'm gonna give y'all two entries. This bonus entry is worth 2. Let me show y'all again. And if you go back to a cut crease video, you'll probably find the answer. I'm trying to see, do I want to drop a hint for y'all, or do I want y'all to like go find it by yourself? By the way, I feel a need to tell y'all that my name is pronounced Kirsten. I don't think I've ever actually said my name in a video, so I just wanted to let you guys know that it is pronounced Kirsten. I've been called Kirsten a lot, or Kirsten, and I mean, it doesn't bother me when people mess up my name because I get called twin a lot because I am a twin, and I never told y'all that, but I'm a twin. Y'all will meet my twin soon. But yeah, I really don't want to treat when y'all mess up my name. I just want y'all to know that it is Kirsten, if you were wondering. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in once again, and also don't forget to head over to Taylor's channel and watch her part of the collab and subscribe to her channel. Also, I can't breathe. Also, comment the answer to the bonus entry question down below. This is the last bonus entry, and yeah, but you guys still can enter if you want to today. It won't end until 11:59 tonight, so if you haven't entered, you can definitely go ahead and enter my giveaway. Thank you again for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more looks, and I will see you guys in my next video.